hurricane, tropical storm. You really got manhandled out there by safety and its tag team partner, Preparedness. What happened out there?
Ooh, it's like they saw us coming. We even tried our Eye of the Storm sneak attack. Oh, they knew everything we were gonna throw at them.
Well, more than likely they took the necessary precautions and had a plan of care for pets, and they knew their evacuation safety route.
Did you tip them off?
Are you prepared? For more information about hurricane preparedness, visit greenvillenc.gov.